Eric's Garage. I'm excited today. I'm picking up my new 52-inch Husky commercial toolbox, and ordered this from Home Depot. They actually had it on sale, so I pulled the trigger on it. Just waiting for them to bring it over in the forklift. I think they're coming now in the distance. Load that up and get it home. So I'll go ahead and show you guys that after I unpack it and all. Hopefully it fits in the truck. We'll see. All right. All right, loaded the boxes on the truck. They're pretty damn heavy. So we'll see. Got one buddy coming over to help me, but I might need to call another. So this is I got 350 pounds right there. So yeah, I might need to call a couple of buddies. All right, we'll see how that goes. Everyone got this home. It was a monster. The bottom piece was close to 350 pounds, and the top piece about 250. So I had a couple of my buddies come out, help me out. Thank you to them. Got the wheels on. Just kind of rolled it off the truck here. That's all the packaging I got to get rid of now. But rolled it off the truck. Got the wheels on, and then they were able to help me put the top on. I guess another way we could have done it if it was just two of us is pull all the drawers out. But nice, a lot nicer than the one at the Home Depot. Is all beaten up. But this one looks really good, a lot bigger than it looked in the store as well. But I'm excited. I'll fill it up. And has a soft close drawers. Which is a nice feature. Comes with all the padding, magnetic backing there. Two electrical strips. It's 52 inches wide and 22 inches deep. So this thing is nice depth to it here. So get some really deep drawers. Help load up the tools a little bit more. So matted finish except for the handles. It's kind of like a shiny black chrome almost. This whole top thing closes up. That's what it looks like. So has some pretty heavy duty wheels. Two in the middle are they don't swivel, and the other four do, and they also lock. So deep drawers on the bottom. It's gonna come around the back here. This is your outlets or outputs for your electrical cords. And looks good. I'm gonna start loading it up with tools, and then I can show you guys what it looks like, all my tools in it. Currently, that's my old Craftsman toolbox I've had for 20 years over there. So I'm gonna unload that and load this up and put it in place. All right, hope this was helpful. If you have any questions or comments, or if you like this video, give me a like, leave me a comment down below, and if you're not already subscribed, please subscribe. Thanks again for watching.